Hi, and welcome to Fager's Island. Today we're going to be making a truly classic cocktail, the Aviation. This drink is built on a delicate balance of strongly flavored ingredients that can easily go awry when out of proportion. But when done correctly, you're guaranteed to convert anyone who claims they don't like gin. It is very important to choose the right gin to make your Aviation because the botanicals can vary widely. A gin that is too juniper forward can make the cocktail taste soapy. At Fager's, we use Nolet's. Nolet's is fruit and floral forward and really plays nicely with the rest of the ingredients. Luxardo, maraschino liqueur, Rothman and Winter, creme de violette, and lemon juice. Let's get started. All right, to make your Aviation, you need 2 ounces of gin, a ½ ounce of maraschino liqueur, ½ ounce of lemon juice, and a ¼ ounce of the creme de violette. Give it a quick stir. And strain into a chilled coupe glass. Garnish with a Luxardo maraschino cherry. And there you have it, a drink that'll truly keep your head in the clouds, the Aviation. Enjoy!